Cole here with Inner Team Marketing. In this video, I'm going to show you how to request a manual review from Google Ads support after your appeal has been denied. It happens from time to time. You'll be flagged for something totally unrelated to your content, like this word that I'm not going to say right now, because if I do, we'll be demonetized. Or elections is another big one. There's a bunch of different crazy flags. When this stuff does happen, you have to reach out to support. I'm going to show you how to chat with them and request a manual review. So first you have to get in touch with them. To do that, you'll go to help here and go down to contact us, and through the chat, select talk to an agent. Continue pushing the AI and it'll eventually connect you with one. Once you do connect with them, you just explain your issue. So, hi, I'm being flagged incorrectly for insert policy issue here in my ads. They have nothing to do with insert policy issue here, and I've appealed them and the appeal was not overturned. I'd like to request a manual review. So send that off to them. He's going to ask you which ads are being flagged. Just take some screenshots. So find the assets in question, take a screenshot with the policy issue in the screenshot. Just go ahead and save it and then add it to the chat. And you can also take a screenshot of the appeal history. That'll be useful. You basically want to give them as much information as possible so that they can't come back to you for questions. Because that's their game, is they ask questions you've either already answered or you are very obvious, with the hope that you'll just never respond and they can close the ticket. So just be persistent, give them as much information as possible, and push back if they tell you something wrong, because they often do. Here he's getting back to me. I would save the images as well. Okay, he's going to be checking on this for 3 to 5 minutes. So we can probably just talk through the next steps. After you request the review, you'll make sure you ask him to send you an email follow-up and follow up with them via email if you're not getting fast support. That can speed up the process significantly. So yeah, that's how you request a manual review in Google Ads. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. And if you found this video valuable, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Cheers.